guys, nag-sneak ako. Kinuha ko yung yung sasakyan ng asawa ko because it's Father's Day. So lilinisan namin yung kanyang sasakyan. Hang on. Ito na kami sa car wash. Ayan, nandito. Ayan, oh. No, put on that side, baby. So kami maglilinis kami ng ng asawa ko. We're gonna go clean the yeah, so we're gonna start cleaning his truck. He did not know na kinuha namin yung truck namin, yung truck niya. So we're gonna clean it really. So ayan, sandali lang ha. Tapos oh yeah, ayan, ayan, lilinisan namin yung aming.
How do you put it in?
It will go in, baby.
Here.
Later, baby. Wait.
Here.
Yeah, put all the things first. I don't know how you will do this.
It doesn't want to go in, but you can use a card. Come on. You can use cards. Here. You can, look, it says you can use card.
Yeah, I know, baby.
Use
So,
card.
yeah. Naglilinis kami.
It's still back here.
Yeah, you have to put down in.
Here. Put down. No, you put down.
Hand it. That's why she's handing it to you, baby. Yan, nag-clean po kami ng for Father's Day gift. So, yan, si Savannah po ang nagtatagal ng mga dumi right now. So, I don't know.
He's making bottle go away.
Don't.
Hurt.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. So, maglilinis po kami. Actually, nag-sneak kami kasi nasa work yung asawa ko. Itong kanya ang work truck na to. So, nilinisan namin. Hindi niya alam hindi niya alam na nandito pala kami. Ninakaw ko yung sasakyan. Not ninakaw. I just sneak out and so, yan. Ayan. Ayan na po. So, Savannah is doing
Can you give me your card so I can...
this. Yan.
It's done.
Okay. Well,
Can I put it in?
why?
Because we're putting it over here.
Okay. Let me.
I have one left over from
Well,
me.
baby,
Can I
it
pay
will
for
be.
it? Can I pay for it?
Well, I have $5 here.
Okay, but it's not
So,
working.
so hold this one for me, so I can put it like this. Okay. Hang on. I think I have $5 here. Where's that $5 that I have? Oh no, I dropped it.
A beep beep's going off. Nope.
Don't do that, boy. Let's see. Oh, this one's not working. You have to have
It says please deposit free 25.
I'm gonna hold this for a
It
moment.
says free 25.
No, we're gonna put my card.
Okay. I'll get this right.
You wait, I'm not. So, it says please courtesy card.
Go, baby.
Here.
Come on, baby. Yan.
We need a free soap first.
Hey, card, give me. Hey, give it to me. What happened? Hang on.
Free soap.
Yan.
What? Where? Open it.
Card, give me to me, baby. Because if I have let mommy do it first. Savannah, hold this one. Hold this one. Because it will, this one, look.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells good.
Mommy! A little bit higher.